I've had an amazing time uncovering the ancient city of Hattusha. One of the most interesting things I learned was that the Hittite language was cracked using the words bread and water. So I've decided to use bread as the base of my ancient recipe that I'll be cooking today, right here in Hattusha. This video was filmed at a distance that does not pose a risk to any cultural properties. First, I'll be making a Hittite-style flatbread and then grilling a variety of organ meats, liver, heart, and kidneys to serve on top of the fresh bread. And now my bread is ready for the oven. It'll just need a minute or two to cook. To make our bread, I added about a cup of water to a nice big bowl and then slowly added flour until it came together into a rough dough. Just kneaded it for 5 or 10 minutes and rolled it out quickly into a nice rough round shape. And then all it needed was a minute or two in a nice hot oven. Now I'm going to cut up my organ meats, place them on the skewers and grill them until they're thoroughly cooked. Most of the Hittites' diet was based on wheat and meat, and bread was one of their most important foods. They had over 100 recipes for bread, and this was the most important of them all. It was usually served as part of a feast. So while these are cooking, I can clear my table and get ready to serve. I cut my kidney in half and took the entire piece, skewered it using metal skewers and cooked it directly on the grill. Same for my heart, one piece, but I actually cut the liver into smaller pieces and used a wooden skewer to cook it. So my skewered organ meats just need to cook for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then I'll plate them right on top of my bread, garnish with some pomegranate seeds, and then we're ready to serve. This video was filmed at a distance that does not pose a risk to any cultural properties. We cooked a feast fit to be presented to the gods. I hope you enjoyed our explorations of the ancient flavors of Hattusha. And thank you for joining Turkish museums on this journey as we continue to cook our way through Turkey's archaeological sites.